Splash Lab, where we make science simple and fun.
Let's dive in.
We work hard to make your water clean and safe, but we also want it to taste good. That means knowing what we need to look for when it comes to taste and odors, so we can work to stop them. A little earthy, a little musty. Let's see what we can find. We can test for 18 different taste and odor-causing compounds, and we're always learning more. An earthy taste could be caused by geosmin, so we adjust our treatment or water source to address it. Some issues are seasonal. For example, when it gets hot, algae grows in source water, and that can lead to funky tastes and odors. In most cases, we know how to stop these before they start.
Most people don't want to brush their teeth with water that smells like a day at the pool. We use chlorine to protect our customers from pathogens, viruses, and other dangerous compounds that can find their way into untreated water. This super chemical works overtime to help keep you safe. If the smell bothers you, it might be time to change the filter in your refrigerator's water dispenser if you have one. Or you can let the water sit uncovered to help the smell dissipate.
Now you know that we're working hard every day to make your water taste and smell good. So hydrate when you're on the go. Make that perfect pizza dough or take the relaxing bath you deserve. We've got you covered. See you next time on Splash Lab.